Rocky's grinding, Scout's setting, and I'm working on getting this cabin done. Steering linkage is undone. Brake lines are undone. I think all we got left is this wiring harness and the parking brake cable. Rocky's got to move his hose before we can proceed with the operation here. Done got the front clip off. Shame most of that's junk. Me and Rock Customs aren't glass, man. We got a little too rough with it. Scott, we're not quite ready to take this one for a ride, buddy.
This dude's been barking for like the last 10 minutes, and as soon as Duster Dude let him loose, this dog flew into this cab. He's clearly not a mechanic. He knows this ain't right.
Well, I was trying to remove that pinch bolt so I could remove this steering column, but it turns out the whole column just fell through the steering shaft. So, yeah. So, Rocky, do you think we can take this cab and merge them together and make them look better than this cab?
Anything is possible with money. But I don't think it's going to be as nice as this truck.
I think he's right. But we put in some good effort today. Rocky's fine welding job looks amazing. We ain't even gonna have to put Bondo on it.